Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring the two circular ends and the height. Measure bottom radius r and top radius r, and make sure h is vertical. Convert diameters to radii and use the same units. Once done, choose volume units so you know if you need cm3 or m3. Next, recognize the frustum as a larger cone minus a smaller cone. This perspective is the only reliable way to derive the formula, so record r, and h carefully before moving on. Now set up the math. Imagine the full big cone with base radius r and total height h that contains the top hole. Subtract the small cone with base radius r. Use similar triangles to express the small cone height in terms of r, and h, but you can avoid extra algebra by using the standard frustum formula. So substitute your measured r, and h into v equals 1/3 pi h times r squared plus rr plus r squared, and keep units consistent. Finally, compute step by step. Square r and r, compute r, add the three terms, multiply by h, then by pi, and divide by 3. Use a calculator for accuracy and only round the final answer to the desired significant digits. Include units like cm3. If the result looks wrong, make sure you used radii not diameters, check unit consistency, and confirm h was vertical. Most errors come from mixing units or misreading r versus r.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.